HVAC Excellence is pleased to announce that Ivy Tech community colleges in Fort Wayne, Valparaiso, Indianapolis, Muncie, and Sellersburg, Indiana, as well as Mount San Antonio College in Walnut, California, College of Southern Nevada in Henderson, Nevada, and Central Louisiana Technical Community College in Alexandria, Louisiana, have been granted accreditation of their HVACR educational programs. Programmatic Accreditation is an independent, third-party review of an educational program, comparing it to industry-accepted standards. Upon a thorough review of all the documentation presented by the administration, faculty, and our on-site accreditation team, HVAC Excellence has granted accreditation of the programs. Learn more about the accreditation process, benefits, and standards at escogroup.org.